Life. Okay. Thing is definitely weird. Able to find stream once. Oh, I need to go live. But thing is definitely weird. Able to find stream once. Oh, I need to go live. Live. Okay. Okay. I think I'm actually live right now. Actually using it. So, what's up? So, this is my Omagi setup. I think I have. Okay, what are these live streams? Why am I doing it? I'm doing it just because I can improve my English speaking skills and talking to the camera. Okay, I can like talk with. I have some. I don't know. Like, you see how I'm speaking right now. It's very weird, right? I don't have any problems when I'm speaking with a normal person, and even in English. Even what the heck, man? Okay, my voice is bad too, so I can do nothing about it. But why should I remorse at this time? I my sentence forming is very weird. It's fine in writing, but with speaking, it's very weird. There's no flow. Okay. What the heck are we doing here? Why I'm live right now? Okay. So what happened was I was using my phone normally, and the problem with this phone is the screen has been changed. So sometime it clicks randomly. So I got angry, smashed it. Not, I just smashed it normally, man, like legit normally, and it broke. I'm like, no way, what am I gonna do right now? So what I did was, I used to run my mobile with wired connection with SCCRP, Scrippy. Okay, what's that? Let me just show you what's that. Is it running somewhere? Yeah, this is running somewhere. This is my phone right now. Okay, let me close it. You need to download SCRP Scrippy package, and in your system, in your, what do you say, desktop system or PC system, PC, and in the phone you have to turn on USB debugging. So what do you have to do here? You're gonna just type SCRCPY, and your phone will be connected. So I thought I'll be using this, but the problem with this was if I restart my phone, the, the I don't, I can't find words right now. Wait, let me think. Let me think. Let me think. Hmm. Um. Hmm. When I restart my PC, okay, no. What am I saying? The words are not coming right. The words are not coming right. When I restart my phone, maybe I'm constantly thinking about what's your perspective is, and the thing with talking with camera is it's very weird. I can talk normally and it's perfectly fine. People can understand me, but with now you asking me, okay, I became really quiet. I was thinking of something. Let's go on the point. There's too much to think. You just have to work right now. Where was I? Okay. As I told, okay, yeah. When I restarted my mobile, it will give you a lock screen, and I can't type my password. if the screen is broken and I can't use Scrippy unless I open my phone. So what I did was I removed the pass lock. That's fine, that's fine. But still I had doubts like what am I gonna do now? What I did was I thought I would use terminal. Like I could write terminal here. It would be so good. So I installed Termux. You can install it too. Here's Termux. I installed it, set it up with SSHD. You can too. You know, the problem is I use ChatGPT. So I actually don't know what I did. For now, let's do this one thing. Let's learn what we did. Because for now, before what I did was, I can't find the word. I want to say that from before I used ChatGPT as a, well, ChatGPT would do everything for me and I would learn nothing from it. So what I'm gonna do now is now I don't I'm not gonna copy the code. I'm gonna type the code myself. I will try to for now I will start from writing the code, understanding it. Then I'm gonna move it up a little bit. I will start. What do you say? I can't find. I'm so sorry. I'm legit so sorry. I am. I'm trying my best. Legit, I'm trying my best. And I have a flu right now, so that's another problem. Okay, what do I have to say? Okay, let's continue. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, so okay, I legit forgot the conversation, man. What the heck? Yeah, I told right. I was talking about ChatGPT. So with ChatGPT, the problem was before I was using it as not as a teacher. uh, you can't understand. At the end the product will be done, but there's no point because you understand nothing. If you have a bug, you can't solve it. From now on, I won't use ChatGPT like that. I will learn. I will first. I will start to what kind of form my words. Even if I talk in Hindi, I still won't able to to make my words. I don't know. Whenever I'm talking, the front convo, I can't grab words from my vocabulary too. What is happening with myself? Coming back, what I was saying, I'm gonna change the way I use my chat GPT. I'm gonna start using chat GPT as a teacher. We can say, bro, why am I mixing up? Wait, I don't know why am I mixing them. I, you know, um, I have listed some tasks. I'm gonna follow them. Like I did some tasks. My first task was to use mobile even if it restarts, which I did. I used this terminal SSHD. Oh, yeah, why am I? What am I doing? There's too much clutter in my brain when I'm talking right now. The whole point to talk right now was to understand the clutter, was to get fixated on one point. But now with me talking, you are in my brain right now. When I work alone, this is this is what am I saying? This is what I this is how my mind works. I talk normally with people, but whenever I'm alone, this is how my mind works. Maybe it's overthinking. Man, Discord call? I guess it doesn't matter. I'm working right now. Hmm. Yeah. You know, let's learn This stream is more for me than you. You can understand it if you want. You can give me some opinions. I will be streaming daily if I can in night, I guess. But okay, yeah. Let's understand what I did. Okay, I need to understand what I did with my mobile. How did I install it? Let's actually like ask GPT. Windows plus W. Not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. This is my stream. Hmm. Chat GPT. Yeah. What did I? What? Is this the convo? Yep. I I did got the work done, but understood nothing. Can we start it again? Darn it. Give me what do you say? Workflow? No, no, it's not workflow. I can't find the words right now. Give me some words. Some algorithm. Yeah, the word could be algorithm. Perfectly, we can totally start fresh and go step by step like a proper lesson. Since you like learning by doing, I'll structure and things and guide you. Let's focus on M30. M30 is my mobile right now, so it makes me so understandable. You can SSH into it from your server. We need to understand right now what's SSH, what's the full form, and also what's actually SSH. Let's search it up, full form, and understand what's actually I'm doing. The full form of SSH is Secure Shell. It's a network protocol that provides security way to remotely access and manage computer on a unsecond by using strong encryption for data transfer. It's a network protocol. Okay, we talk about SSH. We also have to talk about protocol. We need to. I need to understand everything right now, boy. Man. Uh, I maybe kind of no. I don't know protocol. Protocol. Okay. Protocols are just set of rules. Yeah, that was set of rules. How did I forget that? Okay, protocols means set of rules. And SSH, SSH, hmm, how do I say it? Like SSH has use use network protocols, and we can share files encryption in an encrypted manner. Hmm, that could be SSH. Network protocol is a set of rules procedures by defining how data is formed. Do I know network protocols? Yes. These are set of rules. Rules we know, procedures we know, devices we know, communicate we know, data we know. Data is a 0 and 1. Transmitted we know. It's when um, transmitted received. It's when from information or data goes from one point to another. That's called transmitted. Received is the bus. Received will be the system that the data is received. Interpreted means okay. Interpreted means that when you when you get a data or information and you okay, I can explain it by consider the two systems. This is A, this is B, and we need to share some data. This data can be like Apple. Okay. So we call the data apple, matlab the data is apple. Okay, it's in text form. Here it's in text form. We need to share this from here. Okay, so we can share data from here to here easily, but there will be problems like hacker can see in the middle ground what is data, like what's in the data. It's apple, it's the information. And the thing is, hmm, protocols. Okay, I need, my mind is going away right now. Need to control. Okay, from here I can see, like, I can see that, yeah, apple is going. I can see the information. So what we're doing here is that we will use some network protocols. The network protocols, and we will use SSH, as I told you. SSH, as I told you, is a secure shell. It's a network protocol that provides security to remote access managed computer by using strong encryption. I can see right now, I'm a hacker right now, I can see the data. But with using SSH, which has some rules, which use some rules, and here rules are just called network protocols because they are network protocols. So what SSH will do is it will turn the apple to something like a random number or random code, and it will encrypt it. Encrypt means to turn some information into a random code so that a hacker can't see it. It can only be viewed if the other person has SSH or the encryption material. We can encrypt anything. It could be hard disk, it could be the data that I'm share. We could encrypt the data in the sense, okay? So we know encrypt and decrypt. Okay, I didn't told about I did not tell you about decrypt. Decrypt means if I have encrypted the data and have given random numbers like 1 2 5 6 7. If this will go from here, this person will decrypt, meaning it will convert into apple. Matlab, the SSH or the decrypting program will convert it into apple. So that's called decrypting. And you're changing the code from encrypted. No, that's not it. That's not it. Okay, my voice hurts. This process is slow, but me showing how I work and me talking, I'll get better. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, we were talking about SSH. Now I know what SSH is. Why am I using this? It's because using I can share data via using wired right now. My phone is connected via wire to my PC. So you can where was I? Steps to the goal. We want you to act like you can SSH into it from your PC. Hmm. We understand that. That means we'll be okay. SSH. How do I explain this? I just explained it though. Still, I can encrypt the data. I don't know. Yeah, you can. Again, no. That's not gonna. How am I gonna work? I'm gonna tell you everything. You can SSH into it from your computer means just like I can use the phone, and that will be in a very encrypted manner, and it will decrypt and encrypt automatically. It runs Ubuntu inside Termux, option but recommended. You can run commands, scripts, servers. Commands, commands can be anything from like slash. These are just preset functions used. Scripts are also found. What's the difference between commands and scripts? Scripts, okay. Commands can be that have been pre-installed with your system. For example, sudo. Sudo is a command. We use it to get higher access in the computer. Scripts can be made. Scripts can be custom made. We can get scripts from online. We can run the scripts. Server, what are servers? Server are basically computers. There's also computers, but maybe they can run something. For example, they can run back end, front end. Okay, okay. Let me just think. Legit, that is right, but that's not what servers really do. Yeah, that's what server. A server is a computer system that provides resources, data, service, or program to other computer known as clients. Yeah, that's what the servers are. It's the base. Who is watching me right now? Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Is someone watching? No, I don't think someone's watching. Yeah, you can access it you with USB or Wi-Fi. With USB or Wi-Fi. Mhm. I'm using it. Using it's persistent. Your setup stays after reboot. That was the whole point why I'm using it. Algorithm is input processing output. It's a simple algorithm. Termux, your phone. First we need to install. So first one with using this, we need to install Termux, and that could be installed with searching up Chrome, installing an APK. APK is a application. Okay, what do you call APK? APK, what does APK mean? It's a Android application package, standard file format used by Android to distribute. It is a file, a pack to distribute apps and install mobile application. That's what APK is. Um, Concurrent view lists use. Oh, it's okay. I think someone is watching right now. Is someone watching it right now? Though you can just type it in the comment box, the live box. I don't know. Maybe you are. I think someone is. Yeah, where was I? Yeah, we were learning what I did. Commands. Algorithm server. Yeah, first we need to update termux, which we did. Install SSH, which we did. We use pkj update and pkj upgrade. Why? We need to understand this command. What's pkj mean? What I believe pkg means is uh, it's like sudo, I guess. Pkg mostly means package. Pkg package abbreviation. A package is a short. Um, Comparison to sudo. I'm wrong. Oh, I think pkg is used to install or update, like how sudo works. In Termux, we use pkg. I'm still a bit confused. Package abbreviation. A package is a short name for a package that is defined via pkg parameter in the pkg and must be what just नहीं ये तो वो है. Hmm. It's a wrapper that अच्छा. It's a wrapper that performs number of tasks. Wrapper performs number of tasks. Huh. Okay. We use pkg. We use pkg update. That just updates our system. We use and we use and when if I'm writing pkg update, I can write pkg update. It will run the command. Then I can't then run pkg upgrade while pkg update is running. So what's this? So I need, so when the pkg update is done, then we have to type the pkg upgrade y. So what So the command is run in two lines. What this does is add these commands in one line. So I just have to type this, copy and paste it. It will do it. It will run the command, and it will automatically run the second command. That's done. Yeah, no one is there. PKG install OpenSSH terminal services. Why is used? Is used. Next. अरे अच्छा, I forgot. What the heck? What did एक मिनट Windows Shift 8. Why is why is the wire flag is used in a package management command like pk and pkg install OpenSSH is an option to automatically answer yes. Oh, I didn't know that. I have to note it down. Is used to 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 automatically answer yes. Yeah. Wow. So if I type n, then it will say no to all command. That's pretty good. Okay, I don't know. Okay, right now. Oh, where was I? Where was I? Where was I? Where was I working? Okay. Oh, yeah. SV enable SSD. इस एक काम करते हैं हम, इसे ऐसे लेते हैं, इसे विंडोज V करते हैं, विंडोज शिफ्ट 8 में ले जाते हैं. या पूछते रहेंगे, मेरे को कुछ डाउट हुआ तो डेफिनेटली है मेरे को कि कहाँ है भाई, where is it? Okay. Yeah. What can SV be? I don't know SV. What is SV here? In terms XV refer to service management commands that interact with runit, a lightweight init system and service supervisor. The command SV enable is used to enable a service so that it can start automatically when termux is started. So, as I've read that, what this does is this automatically starts, मतलब SSD automatically starts when, okay, this automatically starts when let me think. This automatically starts when the termux is starts, so that's why SV is used. Okay, let me read more. SV enable SSD and enables SSD नहीं है, SSD a daemon service to start. It does not after it does not it does by roaming or touching after SSD will start in the background service. Okay, SV commands are used to start, stop, or disable service. Okay. Oh, the SV commands used in Termux Used to do what? To start, stop, restart, enable services in Termex. Okay, understandable. This is good. Okay, but oh my god, PKG update and PKG upgrade. Why we did it? Oh, we just oh installs the SSH server. Okay. Hmm. Your phone can now accept SSH connections. Oh, okay. Okay, perfectly fine. Oh, need to check IP address. Find out where your server lives on the network. Okay. IP ADDR show WN0. I understand what WN0 is. It's just my what do I call it? Like I know this is WLAN. It's my name. It's my device name. Okay. It's my device name. It's not exact. It's my device name. Hmm. क्या कहाँ से हम IP input input तो नहीं होता है. It's not input. What am I doing? It's called IP. Yeah. Ah, ADR. It's just the address. Show to oh oh we did this to check. Okay, now I think what this does. It when you run this command, it gives the IP address of all the devices connected. I guess that's pretty cool. No, oh, I'm wrong. On the command and doesn't show all the devices. It don't show IP address. It's a local device. Oh, oh, it shows. Hmm. That means whichever device I'm connected to, it shows the IP address. With doing this, we understand that what's the IP address of a mobile, which we're connected to. In this scenario, we're connected with USB. Hmm. ADR is just address. Understand it? Understood it? Yes. My RNS look the same. Looking for the line is start when and that is a how do you know? How do you know कि यही मेरा है? What? How do you know? Hmm. Good morning, भाई. अरे यार, good morning, भाई. Good morning, good morning. The reason you know that I should not be distracted like legit. Hmm. Looking for the line. Uh-huh. The reason you know the vibrator is INET in the show web. The command show network with the space between which is typically valid. Hmm. Uh-huh. Hmm. In this, okay, our scenario was totally wrong. My bad. In this scenario, we are checking what I don't understand. Like, okay, are you getting the IP address now? I don't understand the fact that let me cook. Let me say. Um, you say you said that using IP address. There's my desktop. Then there's what's anything else? Then there's mobile. They're connected with USB right now. Yes, their IP they have different IP, and you can check the IP. Hmm? Right? And you can get the command that is IP ADDR show WN0 won't be used here, I guess. It would be something like hmm. Let me just check. It would be something else. What does it feels like? So hmm. Why? Oh my god. Hmm. Understood. I understand that. Understood that. Hmm. It's traditional method. You uh, it got flexibility, right? We can use Ethernet, I guess. Let me just ask that we we can use that, right? But using Wi-Fi, using WLAN 0, you can check the Wi-Fi and the LAN. Yeah, this is tell. If I'm using wired Ethernet connection, okay. Oh, Ethernet is different. Uh, if I can use wait. Then press enter. Hmm. Why am I getting this error? This error. Hmm. I don't. Oh, wasn't IP ADDR? That will be the address. Then I'm gonna. How do I show? Oh, my bad, yaar. I thought the command would be scan. Show WLAN 0. Reading this WLAN broadcast multiclass. How do I read this? How do I read this? Let it not know. 4 would be the interface index number. Hmm. WLAN understand What's flags? MTU-15 is the maximum transfer unit. Hmm. Oh, up. Okay, so what those I need to understand. INET. Oh, found it. Hmm. You found it? Or did we? I need a break. I need a break. Let me think. I feel like my mind isn't working properly. We understand this for the interface number. We understand this. What's broadcast, multicast, up? What's this? What's multicast? What's up? Interface is enabled means that it's on. Physical link is detected. Oh, it means connection. Oh, thanks for it. Maximum translation unit, max packet size the interface can handle. I need to understand what's packet size. Can am I getting in too deep? I know this. A network packet is a small unit of data that is sent over a computer network instead of sending large messages at once. Hmm. Okay, how do I explain this? If I want to carry something, okay, and I got unlimited time, but there is a limit for to that I can carry. Uh-huh. No. If I have 100 kilograms here, 100, 5 to the 5 to the 100 divided by 5. God. Okay, I got 20 blocks of 5 kg, 5 kg blocks of 20. No. What am I saying? 20 blocks of 5 kg, metal 5 kg, 20 blocks of 5 kg metal kg. It's here, and I need to transfer it from here to here. The what? How can I do this? Either I can be so strong and I can lift all those and I can send those. But what would happen with that? What would happen is that it takes time. Even if I have a lot of strength, it takes time. But what if I don't have enough strength? I can go from here to here, but it crashes here. I mean, it I fall down like I give my best. Yeah. So I can go with this. This creates a problem, right? Here the what and the I can also do this. I can either I will bring a lot of people and they will send the blocks from here to there, from here to there. The thing is, even if even if the packets, we call them packets or metals or whatever they call, we can call them, we call them packets. Even if uh, with this, how can I, how do I not explain this simple concept, man? will not stop till I explain this. What I was saying, yeah, about packets. Payload means actual data being sent. Bro, bro, problem is I'm understanding everything. It's good, but I'm like, where was I? Just note that. What were we doing? We were doing a simple thing, but we're getting in so deep. Like, we just wanted to know the IP address, and it's here. That's it. No, it's the where the heck is the IP address? I need to really see. Where's the IP address? No, I think this is the IP address. But still, let me see that again. Yeah, and we got from broadcast. I don't know multicast. I don't know. But still, maybe I know. Then I understand packets. I little bit know about packets, so I wanted to know what MTU is. I got to you in MTU. It's the maximal size of single packet that can be sent. That's an easy thing. But I want to explain you packet. But when I was explaining the packet problem that I told you, I but like I also had a question. What if what if all packets don't reach? Like not all. Oh, that's called an packet loss. How did I forgot that? You know when you play Valorant and there's sometime you see left icon left in here. There's the thing called packet loss. It's it's because okay, this is too complicated. Yeah, this is fine. If a connection breaks, then the packet will be lost. As you can see, the packets are going from here to here, and the packets got lost. What happens? For example, how packet loss can be explained in games. I played Valorant. It had packets lost sometimes. Whenever my Wi-Fi didn't work properly, didn't work properly. Sometime I used to move my mouse, but my aim was here. Like the packets didn't digit. This is all data, right? The mouse moving from here, it's going from there. Whenever that happens, my screen got glitch in the sense my like even if I press forward, like even if I went to some place to a site, I would be on other another site. And just because the data didn't reach properly. That's what's packet loss is. You can know transmission is relevant. It is related to missing packets. Okay, this I'm not getting that deep. Should I tell you what this is to understand me? Hmm. This is gonna be big. What can I say? Broadcast, multiclass, frac sticks. Hmm. Then नहीं. भाई आईपी तो अलग है यार. यहाँ पे हम अपने लैपटॉप का आईपी यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Oh, we're using your अपने we are using the laptop's IP. We found it. This is the IP. This is found. Now we use SSD. Where? Why is dash P used here? Oh, it's because dash P is used. So, Pay port 5,000, 8,000. What is port? Oh my god. I'm saying every simple thing right. Port. I know what port is, but I need to explain it. Okay. It's a 16-bit number ranging from 0 to 6. Oh, I didn't know that. Port allows multiple service addresses to run on a single device using the same IP address. That's port. If I deploy a website, you it will be like a single address. As you know, this is an address, right? We can deploy a website on any port, for example, 5,000, and in my locally means on my PC, I can't deploy any other website. So it becomes like a uh, it is permanent, but you can deploy anything on it. So it's like a temporary address. Each port you can set it forever. Okay, we know what. Oh, wait. We got SSHP port 80022 using this port. This what says this is just my name of the mobile. At the rate is I think at the rate even though I know why is it at the rate used क्योंकि ये तो यूजर नेम है ये तो आईपी है तो एट द रेट why am I speaking Hindi? This is username. This is the IP. The address symbol separates the username from host. Okay, it just separates the username from the host, telling SSH way to connect and which user to authenticate to. Ah, completely fine. Option Ubuntu containers. Why termx is limited? Ubuntu gives available. Okay, then after this, we have got SSH downloaded. Still, I can use my that. Like I can just do this, and it will work. I'm just getting the right address. Because I don't think this is right. Like, right address. Eight. Yeah. Let me ask. Just save it somewhere. Yeah. क्या करूँ कहाँ सेव करूँ उसे कहाँ सेव करूँ उसे अभी कर लेंगे अभी देखेंगे ना यही सेव कर लेता हूँ I'm just reading it. So we use this. एक minute. This is different. This is different. Okay. We use package manager. I told you. We install it. Use proot. I think proot install it's a sudo command. We press yes. Y command. Why is proot used? Still, I need to see. Proot. Proot used to allow this version. Oh. Oh, malab. It installs that too. No, I don't. It it lets you install other distros in Termex without needing root or changing the system. That's cool. Uh, okay. Use Linux px system call to install and modify system call made by programs. How proot works. Hmm. This is a good topic. Proot uses Linux px system call. You need to still understand what px is to intercept and modify system calls made by programs. Well, what this is like a phone px trace. Eh? Monitor an operation like changing route. Okay, change the directories. Understandable. Can run programs compiled. Oh, that's cool. Running multiple Linux install period allows user to install. Oh my god, Pute is cool. So, since it doesn't review over, it's safer. Nice. Oh, Pirut notification for. Oh, that's legit cool. So use Pirut here. Install Ubuntu. That and we log in Ubuntu. Oh, and then we create a user. Then we set host name. Then we access this from PC. That's SSH P data. Pita. P was used for port, right? That's our username. Then we type it the IP. That's the username. That's the IP address. Add a user differentiate between them. Then we set up Tomex, get IP. Oh, completely understand. Finally, we got it done, and it's 5 o'clock right now. Good morning to everyone, anyone who's watching it right now. I'm happy that you're watching. I have fever right now. I'm not able to talk properly right now. I'll try. I'm trying my best, learning things. If you can, just yes, watch the stream for why. Hmm. Where were we? We understood how everything worked. Okay. Now, what I need to do. This is the command that I'm using. This. I'm gonna make a command which will start this, and the command will be phone. Like this is the command. I want it. I have arc marquee. I want it when I run the command. So we're gonna making script. Command phone. Then this will run. Making script. What am I writing? Making script. Hmm. Make a script. Open terminal. Open terminal. Create a file called phone. I'm sure. Hmm. Open terminal. Create a file called phone in your home bin anywhere. Add this inside. Create a file called phone. Oh, समझा तो how do I make a file? Open a terminal. CD, where are we? Oh, no, ls, where are we? We're gonna go nano, nano, use this, understand, you need to understand what this does. Use pen, phone, nano command, not phone. Alright then. Fi- Huh. No. I've got to play CS2, you know? Hmm. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do meter slash p. P was used for protocol, right? Why is p used here? And pin. Made it. Echo. This. Hashtag. Hyphen. Exclamatory, my bad. Bin. Hash. Close it. Space here. Space. This. Then phone. Okay. Echo. Is this fine? Bin bash. Yeah. Hmm. I think this echo does. See, it did something. Echo. I can find. You know, I can type fast. SSH. Dash P. I don't know what P does here. No, P is what? Nothing only. I need to copy this. I ain't writing this. No. Q0 underscore 8354. अब इसके इस after this other 192.42. And do I think, yeah, this is wrong. See what? Okay, what we're doing right now, as you can see, the script is working. I need to still understand what did this, but before that, we're gonna add this to our path so that phone works. As I told you, I need to click this Windows super key press enter, then echo expo. Okay, my bad. Echo export path is equal to $sign path. Then this, then close it, then no, wait a sec. Let me just, yeah, bash RC. If I type 4, oh, and the code is done. No, it's working. I'm happy. Um, oh man, like how it, step two. I need to understand, but okay, let's go from the start. It's working, it's fine. I'm happy it works. But we need to understand how it works. What's echo? What is echo? It, you know, what can we do here? Is bad. Echo prints the standard output, which usually means on terminal screen. Using echo, you can combine echo with this and this to oh, echo is used to um type of something. If I'm talking, echo what? Hi, hi, what? How are you? Yo, shift. So, as you can see here, it types out the how are you program. How are you text here, not these codes. Anything that will go here, it will show on screen. So it's used to just type out text. We're using this and this to write the text into the file. Using this to overwrite a file. With echo, we use this and this. First one is used to overwrite, append the file. I need to understand what append is. We use this to, okay, I think with this I can understand it. We use echo. I think I need to understand said with this we just made a bin folder. With this echo we type something out, and typing will be in this is okay. We typed this hashtag estimated this in bin slash phone. Phone is the text file or the file which we're talking about. then we type echo this, and we append it. But what does append mean? Append mean to add something at the with this it overrides. With this you can just add something. Hmm. Understandable. Hmm. What is this? Explain this. It tells use hashtag run the script. Hmm. Hey computer, read this file as a bash script. This is not a. Oh, okay. We use this whenever we want to sell it. This is a bash script, not a. Oh my god, that's cool. I completely understand this. I completely understood this. Here, echo is used to write out the text in the. Where was it? In the bin. Okay, it's a okay. Like here we're writing. Okay, first we'll tell it. Let's start from again. Here, echo is used to start the to write out text anywhere. It is in colons. Here hashtag, and this will be written in the file. And we type hashtag and exclamatory mark to tell it that this is not a normal text. This text should be run. This is a command. And then we type bin slash bash. Oh, I think bash is the interpreter here. Yes. Okay. Yeah, understood. And then we use this to, what do we say? Write out the text. Then we use a phone. Easy. Then we use SSH again. Then we type this. This will be appended. Means it will be written in the next line. Then we type cmod. Where is my cmod use? I didn't know my P was used still. Oh, P creates directory. I need to know the difference between P directory 1 and the P port 1. This. What is CH mode here? CH mode change mode. Okay, it changes the file. There are some files which we can read only, not do anything about it. This ch mod can do this. This ch mod just means change the mod. Mod means mode permission, the permission of files. We use R to read the file. We use write it you could so that you can edit the file. You can execute run to execute. So here we use plus x. We use plus R as just told. Use plus W, use plus x. R is for read only, right? And this could be read, write. This could be run the script. We change the permission. Without this, oh, if we don't change this, we will permission denied. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Oh, it's just this is done. I understand that. Now we add this to our path. Path. How do you? We use .brc to open whole directory. Echo export path. Ex. Okay. The like I can run this command in that file only, right? What if I want to run something like a command phone anywhere with you can add the file file address to the path and then you can run this. It just makes another script like path has scripts and it's got typical echo prints text echo path when the text you want to write. We use export to export the path that I told you, and here's a path with hmm this is letter I'm going to and this path a system variable storing all the directories. It's called directories. Okay, path is where it's storing all the directory, and with this it currently with this it directory we created for scripts. Understood this. Understood this. What's this? It's still writing, brother. Control C. Oh my. Oh, it's an environment variable. Oh, it's a variable. It stores that. Oh, this just stores the directories. This is directories are stored. We type this, and now you type this, and now you can just type phone anywhere, and the shell will find it. Understood everything. Type phone. Boom. I type my password. Boom. Amen. But is this Ubuntu? This is not Ubuntu. Hmm. Where is my Ubuntu? How did I run this Ubuntu? Oh, my back. I type this root. It will run on the root as I told you. It's better. Slash distro login Ubuntu. It will ask for it's who am I? I'm root. Add user. Hmm. Sorry. Hmm. Now I type Windows W. Happen.
Connected.
Huh? What happened? I don't know what happened. Hmm. Okay. I press plus enter. I type phone. I type I keep for forgetting. Hmm. I forgot the command. Root. Hmm. Root. Root. Test. How to write this? P root distro login with root distro login with Ubuntu. I type su Naksh su Naksh. It works. I'm not doing this. Camera into Kubernetes. You know what? Let me take a break. Like legit. Let me take a break. अब नहीं आएगी बस.